in a bit of drawdown currently. So I'm in from this chap here. I am in some drawdown. I had a stop down below because I did expect price to run up. We also broke out of this, but I see it's done a full retrace, which is not exactly what I wanted to see. But looking at what we have in front of us, if you look at the daily, we see the following, right? So I'm gonna move these out. Okay, so based on the daily, we've opened here, traded higher, failed to go and run yesterday's high, which is a key confluence for me and what I look for. So we have resting buy side on US 30. This is US 30 up above, right? So there's resting buy side above. We have come from sell side, right? So we've taken out a previous low, rallied up, opened, traded higher, failed the high yet, and then has traded lower now currently, right? So ideally, if we're buying, you know that we want to be buying beneath the daily open, right? So that's what I'm looking at. We do have buy side resting above, which is important to me, right? If this was taken prior to CPI, or if that was taken prior to CPI, I would not be leaning towards that bullish bias based on the daily time frame. If you look at the 4 hour, why I also entered longs up here was because of the fact that we've already taken these lows. So there was two sets of equal lows here. I'm going to correct that. So that was there. These two were equal lows, which were then raided. You can see if I can extend this right. Uh, if you extend it right, like so, those are relative equal lows, which was tapped into. We've now traded into my area of interest. So actually anywhere in this area on this week is good enough to be in. The reason I'm saying that is because if based on what I follow, if we've rated sell side, which is these 4 hour lows, equal lows, we have then tapped into this area here. So this was very important. This is the inverse. This was the inverse FVG that I've been watching for quite some time now. We're going to put that in the inside right corner. That black, and I'm just going to drop that to 11. Okay, so that's the inverse FVG that I was looking at. Then we have this other area here of imbalance, call it buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. So this was a BSI, flipped over, came back, pushed through it, now reacted off it as a support, right? So that's the sort of area I'm looking at in my bias and why I am leaning towards a bullish bias today for CPI. I'm running you through the technicals and what we've obviously been seeing. So technically, again, yes, there's a bit of a pullback now. It's broken through this or come back and retested this area again. But I still do see the next candle on the 1 hourly pushing up, provided that we can sort of hold above this level. I didn't want to see price run through this low again, so I'm hoping that CPI doesn't go down there. Prior to CPI, sorry. And if you look here, again, yesterday's high. So if we adjust that, this would be our yesterday's high, resting there. So yesterday's high, we've got buy side resting at that area. This is pretty much what I'm looking at. I haven't. These are my confluences. Yes, there's a zone below, so there is a little bit of a zone down below here. But this is for me. I do not think price is gonna run into that. Ideally we should be holding on that inverse FEG, this exact same area here. So if price is in this area at the open, remember I've taken buys a little bit higher up. If price is in this area, I haven't gone in heavily, right? The key here is I haven't gone in heavily, and that's because we do have CPI. So I'm managing my risk in terms of that. I've gone in light on top. If we are within this area here on CPI or just a few minutes before, I will be stacking up some positions, and that's where I'll look to get in on the heavy positions and probably full margin my account at that point. Remember, if you're trading with us, um, then you need to be funding or trading an account that you're comfortable losing because we full margin obviously on these particular news events. We use profits that we've generated throughout the week or the month or whatever, and we take a percentage of that and full margin it on we full margin it on the event, right? So that is what we are looking at. Um, I just want to see. I'm going to drop down to the lower time frames now, but I want to see what happens here. Um, so on the 15, we had a bit of a breakout on the 15, as you can see. Again, we failed to take out buy side above. We have rated Asian highs, right? So there's some Asian highs that were taken, but remember, we have already taken Asian lows and a London low. So London has done a bit of a shift here. I just want to see price hold in this area. For me, this is crucial. It's a 15-minute FEG in here. It's a daily inverse FEG. It's a 4-hourly FEG in that area. So it should be a strong confluence zone. When it comes to the fundamental side of things, if you look at what we're expecting, it's a bit of a mix here between the core CPI and the CPI, right? So core CPI is 0.3, so they expect it to come in higher than forecast, right? So this would not be positive for us. This should be a negative reaction. But if you look at, so obviously, if you look at this was obviously October's data. November and December well, November's been missing that. So the last CPI would be, sorry, October's one is for September. There was two that has been missed, which is October and November. December's CPI is currently being released, which is now today. That's expected to increase by 0.1%, right? So that should be a negative reaction. However, if you look at CPI month on month, right? The month on month is showing us that it's going to be in line, right? The forecast is in line. Remember, these are just forecasted figures. It can definitely change or get revised. And the number that comes out can come out can come out higher, lower, same. We don't know what that's going to come out. So CPI month on month is showing the same as previous, which should mean um, nothing, flat there. And if you look at it here, we are anticipating a 2.7, right? So 2.7 is less, sorry, 2.7 is the same as previous. So that being said, the only negative one or the negative one would be the core CPI. So it's important that we watch this when it comes out. That'll give more guidance into long-term direction when it comes to US 30. But I do see the initial spike being up. So fundamentally, it's a little bit mixed because of core CPI, because of this forecast coming in, or forecast being higher than the previous. But the year on year is expected to remain the same, right? So that's what we were looking at on the fundamental side of it. If you look at it here now. Sorry, I'm just checking quickly. So I think so. Trump did post out a video on Truth Social. I like to watch what he posts carefully because that does give out insight. Guys can check that out as well. He hasn't posted any tweet to say like where he typed something out, but he's shared a CNBC video. So yeah, technically, guys, I do see this area still holding. I'm just waiting. We also had, if you look at CNBC, so why we were also in those buys, and I might actually even get stopped before CPI. So if you look at it here, we had JP Morgan results that came out here. You can see we had earnings that came out for JP Morgan, which topped estimates, which had obviously caused that move up, but I do believe it's being manipulated currently. But time will tell in order to hold the move for CPI. Time will definitely tell. What's your guys' take, guys, on NASDAQ? I'm sorry, on US 30? I do believe we're going to react off that 4-hour FEG, and it's fine even if I get taken out on this trade now because I did enter here earlier. So if I do get taken out on that, it's okay. Why is my, oh, there you go. Okay, I see some of the guys saying I'm seeing a push towards the downside. I think we will get a week on both sides. Possible. What's your opinion on gold? I haven't really looked at gold today. So I'm not going to give any bias on gold. Um, Guys, Chris Hammond, guys, this is sorry, TradingView. TradingView is not going to match our broker prices. We use HFM, so whatever is sent out based on HFM prices. Remember, you should only be risking what you can afford to lose today. High impact news, guys. This is very high impact news, and yeah. Chris Hammond sending SL hit with an angry face. Dude, really, I'll kick you off the lives and I'll kick you off the group if you're gonna come here with your negative crap. Even if you did hit, it didn't hasn't hit the SL yet, but even if it did hit the SL, which it might, that's part of the game. There's nothing you can do about it, nothing I can do about it. It's literally part of the game. So we send out banger trades throughout the month. So I don't want to hear your bullshit, and I don't want you to come here with your negative crap. Honestly, take it elsewhere because I'm not going to entertain it here. Guys need to stop being unappreciative. Nobody does this for anybody. Nobody goes live. Nobody does any of this. None of the guys do this. None of the guys show you what they're looking at. So if you want to come here with your bullshit, then you can fuck off, really. Okay, so now that is almost at, okay, so I think, yeah, let me see. Yeah, it's taking my one out. Okay. My bias still remains, guys. My bias still remains. I am still bullish on this. and I still believe we are gonna see the move up. I don't know why where's all my He's trading view like broken at the moment because all my analysis seems to have gone. The heck is going on? That's weird. It's crazy how some people, guys, have no appreciation whatsoever. Eh? It's crazy. It's crazy. It's crazy. I mean, we literally smashed like 14,500 pips the whole of last week. You hit one SL today and come here with your negative stories and your negative reactions and fucking yo, that's just mind blowing, guys. I got taken out. I had it at 500. How are you guys still in? No, man. Oh, you fucking maybe it's point something something. I don't know. Mine got taken out because some of you guys think it's still in. What SL did you set? Because mine was at literally at 49 somewhere 49 500 point. What is it? 0.25. Where did it drop to? It literally just spiked me. I think it dropped to 49,499.8, somewhere there. But yeah. No, that's weird. Mine definitely got stopped, guys. Some of the guys saying their charts went to 49,501. Yo. No, man. No, we haven't taken the traders yet. We have not taken the traders yet. I don't know why my analysis has disappeared. So even here it spiked it, guys, because this was the low that I had a stop or the stop on. Yeah. And that has definitely spiked it. So I'm not gonna say it hasn't when it has, even though some of you guys are still in it. But yeah, let's see what happens here. We need to see something here. I do believe we're still going up, so yeah, my bias remains. I'm pretty sure this is just manipulated, guys. This entire move down is pretty much just manipulated. But let's see, let's see, let's see. Azim says it stop hunted you out, bro. It looks like that. because you move the markets. No, no. I wish I did, but yeah, fucking, I don't know, it just wicked me out. Mm, Rhino, please stop drawing on the charts. Yes, CPI is a buy from my end. I will be buying. Um, 1 second. Just give me 1 second. Guys, in a few minutes time, I will start entering. Remember, our targets are the buy side that hasn't been taken throughout this week, which is firstly there, and secondly there. So I'm expecting between 1,500 pips to 2,000, 2,500 pips, around about there. Um, Anybody check if Trump posted anything new? Let me know. Okay, so I'm gonna start placing a few entries here, guys. Starting to place a few entries here. Not hard yet. As it gets closer to time, I will go in a bit harder, but I will start placing some here. Guys, some of the guys asking predictions on Nasdaq. I'm just waiting, guys. I mean, I'm just trading US 30. Um, I'm not trading Nasdaq. Maybe our analyst will share his idea on Nasdaq. Let's do this, guys. Let's do it. How's the nerves? How's everybody's nerves today? You guys still stressed, still nervous? The reason I entered a couple positions a little bit early is obviously because of margin increases and that kind of thing. So to avoid that, I entered it there. Okay, okay. Okay, I've added again here. Okay, a few more minutes, guys. A few more minutes. It's like 5 minutes more. I need to see some sort of push from here. It's at that exact area right now, but I need it to hold here. Come on, man. Oh, fuck's sakes. Come on. I'm gonna add a few now again. More here. Whatever happens, happens, guys. Come on, I want it to hold here. Needs to hold here. Okay, 2 minutes left, guys. 2 minutes left. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Just needed to hold, yeah, that's all. Okay, 30 seconds, guys. 30 seconds. Moment of truth is here. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck, guys. Good luck. Whatever happens, happens. We are hoping we get that push up, guys. Bang. Bang, 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 guys. Lock profits, please. Lock profits, lock profits, lock profits. Bang, bang. There's it, guys. Fuck yes. Fuck yes. W's, baby. W's. Fucking amazing. Leave some runners, please, guys. Leave some runners. Yo, yo, fuck. Guys, I smashed 250K on that fucking trade. Yo, yo, fuck. Guys, fuck. Yo, fuck, guys. Yes, yes. That was stressful because the first trade I took a small knock on that first trade, but fuck, guys. What a fucking trade. Yes. Fuck yes, guys. Fuck, fuck, fuck. That was honestly amazing. Honestly fucking amazing. It's still going, guys. Yeah, I've still got one account that's running, yeah. And there you go, guys. 2,000 pips. Can you see it? Look at it. I told you guys. I told you guys. Told you guys. Told you guys. Told you guys. Told you. Told you. Told you. Well, guys, I'm gonna make a quick video, please. Just please fill the chat with all the W's, please. And that's how we banked today, US 30 CPI done live on stream. Look at the W's, guys. Look at those fucking W's. 2,000 pips called live on stream, guys. That was our entry. I'm still floating blues and absolutely smashed it, guys. Look here. Absolutely killed it, guys. Unbelievable. Yo, my one account's like fucking running deep blue right now, guys. Yo, fuck. I held it from yesterday. I had two positions from yesterday. I added two more right now. It's floating, guys. And my other account has taken 200K already. So these are literally risk-free. I'm actually going to close some of them out now. But fuck, what a trade, guys. What a fucking trade. Yo, nah, we did it, guys. We did it. We did it. We did it. After it actually played, I was worried because of how it played before what you call the CPI. So this was literally manipulated, guys. Literally manipulated. But yeah, killed, 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 guys. Killed. Anyways, guys, I'll catch you on the next live stream. Nobody does it like us. You know the story. Check you guys.